no words. I've said a lot, but I don't have words for this. I'm going to start this by saying I am of the mindset that if you want to do something and it doesn't affect me in any way, I'm fine with it. If you want to, I'm not even going to say if you are, let's put it this way. If you're gay, be gay. Be with your chosen partner. Have marriage. Do all the things that everyone else can do. Fine. It doesn't affect me. It doesn't matter. I don't care what somebody else does in their house, who they love, who they want to marry, who they want to get divorced from. Be as unhappy as everyone else in the hetero world has been for the last thousands of years. If you want to do drugs, as long as you do not affect other people, go for it. If you want to go smoke weed in your apartment and eat brownies and chow down on chips, great, do it. I don't care. It doesn't affect me. This is going to be a running theme if you haven't figured it out. If you want to own guns, own any single gun you want. I don't care if it's a fully automatic 50 caliber, tank mounted or machine gun. I do not care. As long as you can prove that you have the knowledge to safely operate it, clean it, and obviously you can prove that you're not a psycho and you're going to go kill other people, I do not care. Own a bazooka, own a sawed off 100-round Uzi. I don't care. Things that don't affect me personally, I do not care about. Anything like once it infringes upon me. If, mind you, I think gay guys are hilarious. They're great friends. I know a bunch of them, and they are awesome to hang out with. But if I don't know someone, you come up to me and you hit on me, fine, that's great. I'll take it as a compliment. That's awesome. Like, I've been to gay bars. They're fun. Who cares? Like, it doesn't matter to me what you associate as, believe in, identify as. Doesn't matter. If somebody hits on me and I say sorry, I'm straight, and then they continue to hit on me saying I can do something better, no, then it infringes upon me and it's wrong. It's the same thing if you hit on a girl and she says no, I'm not interested, you stop. There's no problem with that. If you are courteous about it, you can come up, you can tell me I'm fucking hot. I do not care. It would make my day, honestly. Same thing if somebody does drugs. I don't care if you do weed, cocaine, mushrooms, heroin. It doesn't matter to me. Until it infringes upon me or somebody I know. Like if you steal from someone, if you force somebody to do drugs, if you, whatever it is. Anything that is not just involved with you taking it, do not care. Once it infringes upon somebody else, that's when it becomes a problem with me. Same thing with guns. I own some. All of my family owns, pretty much everyone in my family owns guns because look where I live. It's not exactly the weirdest thing in the world. I do not care. You can own anything you want until you start using them against somebody else. Rob, murder, steal, beat somebody up, shoot, whatever. I don't care. Then it becomes a problem. Now we get into the big thing of today. Obviously, if you're following along the train track of this thought process, today is absolutely incredibly sad. The fact that I think it's 5. I think the boat was 5 to 4. If I'm wrong, I'll put it in the screen here. The fact that 5 people, 5, have the power to tell, what is it now, almost 200 million women, you don't have the right to control your own body. Is insane to me. It's absolutely insane. I mean, this is something I'm going to actually put, if I can find them, the statistics, if I can speak, of like pro versus con, anti-abortion versus pro-life, pro-choice, whatever. I'm going to put these on the screen if I can find them. Recently ones. I'm pretty sure the majority of Americans believe that abortion should be a choice. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong, but I don't think I am. And the fact that the Supreme Court of the United States, which is meant to uphold the Constitution, is now becoming so political that it's literally saying, hey women, Like, this isn't even, I'm dumbfounded. I don't even know how to speak right now. It's incredible to me that we have people telling millions, hundreds of millions of people that you can't do something because a fiction book has said it's wrong. And I'm going to stand by that. I don't give a shit about the Bible. I think it's a fucking joke. Straight up, I don't care. Be pissed at me if you want. I do not care. The Bible is a fucking joke. This is a fiction book written thousands of years ago, interpreted and translated down to what we have now, where most people don't even follow 75% of it. You know, could you work on Sundays? Sure, people do. Should they get stoned? If you followed the Bible to the letter, every single person, or probably, you know, most people in this country, in this world, are sinners and are going to hell. But because people are people, they choose to believe what they want to believe and follow what they want to follow. And I don't get it. I think it's a fucking joke. Today is incredibly sad. And I have family members that are like super religious, who think that today is like the answer to all their prayers, and they're super happy, and it just, I try not to be super political because I understand everyone has their opinion, and I don't know. I'm just dumbfounded today. Honestly dumbfounded. I don't care what side of the aisle you're on. I don't care anything like that. The fact that you literally are telling other people that you cannot do something because a book tells me that it's wrong. I have no words. I've said a lot, but I don't have words for this. I can't convey it right. So, if you're religious, great. Freedom of religion in this country, great. Go forth, practice your fiction, and have fun. But don't tell other people what they can do and can't do. I don't know. I just don't know.